Imagine a world where creatures thought to be lost forever, creatures whose very names echo through history, are suddenly brought back to life. A world where the boundaries of science and nature blur. A world where the direwolf prowls again. Thousands of years ago, the mighty direwolf roamed the earth. This fearsome predator, larger than the gray wolves we know today, once thrived across North America. But by the end of the last ice age, it vanished from existence, leaving only bones and the whispers of its legendary howl. But what if I told you that, thanks to an incredible scientific breakthrough, the direwolf is no longer just a myth or fantasy? What if I told you it's back?
13,000 years after the last direwolf walked the earth, scientists say they've now brought them back.
In a remarkable feat of genetic engineering, scientists at Colossal Biosciences have succeeded in bringing the extinct direwolf back to life. 13,000 years after it last walked the earth. It's a world first for the field of de-extinction, and it's all thanks to cutting-edge biotechnology and gene editing tools. The secret lies in the genome of the gray wolf. Genetically, it's already 99.5% identical to the direwolf. But that last 0.5%? That's where the magic happens. By editing the gray wolf's DNA, scientists have been able to reintroduce the traits of the long-lost direwolf. These include its distinctive physical appearance, larger size, and more aggressive traits, making it a true descendant of the ancient predator. Introducing Romulus and Resurrected, the very first living, breathing direwolves in over 13,000 years. 7 months old, growing rapidly and adapting well to life in the lab, these creatures exhibit all the behaviors of their ancient ancestors. From their haunting howls to their bold, confident movements, they're everything we could have imagined, and more. While these young direwolves are still in the early stages of their lives, it's clear that they're not just any ordinary wolves. Their DNA carries the weight of history. And with each step they take, it's as if they're bringing a part of the past back into the present. But this breakthrough is not without controversy. As awe-inspiring as it is to see these creatures alive again, there are serious concerns about what their return means for our ecosystems. Critics argue that reintroducing extinct animals, especially apex predators like the direwolf, could throw off the delicate balance of the environments they inhabit. Could the return of the direwolf disrupt the existing wildlife populations? Could these newly revived species struggle to adapt to modern environments that have changed dramatically in their absence? Some worry that without the right ecological balance, these creatures might not just thrive, they might destabilize the ecosystems that have evolved in their absence. Colossal Biosciences isn't stopping with just the direwolf. In fact, they have bigger plans on the horizon. Imagine, by 2028, woolly mammoths could once again roam the earth. This could be a game-changer in the fight against climate change, as mammoths are believed to help preserve the tundra by preventing the release of carbon from the soil. As we stand on the edge of a new era in biotechnology, so what do you think? Should we bring back the creatures of the past, or is nature's course best left undisturbed? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're fascinated by the possibilities of de-extinction, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories from the frontiers of science.